Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a thumbnail for Fiverr. First, always use high-resolution images to ensure your gig looks professional and sharp. Next, incorporate clear, readable text that immediately tells potential buyers what your service offers. It's also crucial to maintain a consistent brand identity across all your gig images, creating a cohesive look. Finally, ensure your thumbnail is visually appealing and stands out among competitors, grabbing attention instantly. When designing, employ a strong visual hierarchy to guide the viewer's eye naturally to the most important information. Utilize contrasting colors effectively to make your text and key elements truly pop, ensuring they are easily seen. Always strive to keep your designs simple and uncluttered. Too much information can overwhelm. Lastly, consider including a compelling call to action, like order now or get started, to encourage engagement. For optimal display, Fiverr recommends a thumbnail size of 1280 pixels by 769 pixels. It's also important to ensure your image file size is under 5 megabytes to guarantee quick loading times for potential clients. User-friendly tools like Canva or Adobe Express can greatly simplify the design process, even for beginners. Always export your final image in either JPEG or PNG format for the best quality and compatibility. After creating your thumbnail, it's vital to /B test different designs to see which one performs best with your target audience. Don't hesitate to gather feedback from peers or even potential clients on your designs. Fresh perspectives are invaluable. Regularly analyze your gig's impression and in click-through rates to understand what's working. Finally, update your thumbnail periodically to keep your gig fresh, relevant, and engaging for new visitors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.